name is Steve Paulsonell, and I'm the owner of Iron Sport Gym in Glen Olden, Pennsylvania. Lifting weights in the gym hard and heavy for 40 years, 30 of which I was an international strength competitor. It was pretty hard on the body. Ended up with a lot of sore joints, a lot of surgeries along the way, and I didn't know what to do, and surgery just wasn't an option for me with certain injuries. I came to Regen America to have my knee looked at, and they offered some stem cell therapy to me and explained it all to me, and it seemed like the right thing to do. That was 6 months ago since I had my stem cell injections, and I tell you what, it's been a game changer. It's totally changed my life. It's allowed me to train with confidence without any kind of pain whatsoever, and I've been really happy I did it, and I'm looking forward to actually doing a couple more of my joints in the future. One thing I would tell somebody who's on the fence about stem cells is talk to somebody who's actually had it done. Don't research on the internet and talk to a bunch of people that haven't had it done, or listen to doctors that say it's a placebo, it doesn't actually work. If you talk to the people that have it done, they will tell you what a game changer it really is and how it actually does work.